In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated bar chart in Canva. We'll walk through building a clean, eye-catching bar chart race, perfect for presentations, reports, and social posts. Start by opening a presentation template so you have a slide canvas ready to work on. Any layout is fine. Choose one that matches your brand or project. A simple, uncluttered background helps your chart stand out. Next, head to the left sidebar and open Apps. In the search field, type Chart, then open the Charts tool. This is where you'll find a variety of visualizations. In the search within Charts, look for Bar Race. The Bar Race option animates categories over time, so viewers can watch values change and rankings shift. Insert the Bar Race chart onto your slide. It will drop in with sample data so you can see the animation right away. Resize and reposition it by dragging the corners and moving it into place. Keep it large enough to be readable and align it with your slide margins for a polished look. On the left panel, you'll see the data table. Double-click any value you want to modify and type your numbers directly. If you already have your data in a spreadsheet, click Import Data and upload a CSV or Excel file. Make sure your headers are clear and consistent. Tidy data imports cleanly and saves time. Update your category names by clicking each label on the left panel. Keep names concise so they don't crowd the bars. If you're using dates or time periods, check that they're formatted consistently so the animation orders correctly. You can customize colors to match your brand or theme. Select the chart, then choose Edit Color to pick a palette for the bars. Aim for high contrast between bars and background, and avoid using too many similar shades so categories remain distinct. In Chart Setup, turn on labels to show the name or title for each bar directly on the chart. This boosts readability, especially when the bars move quickly. Review the time period settings to confirm how values appear for each frame. Clear time markers help viewers follow the story. In the Group section, you'll see how colors map to groups or categories, which is handy if you're comparing multiple series. For finer control, click Custom to explore more settings. Here you can adjust details like how values are displayed, refine the look of the bars, and tune animation behavior for clarity. That's it. You've created an animated bar chart in Canva that's easy to read, on brand, and ready to present.